I have a little quick, easy tip today in Premiere. So this may not come up a lot for you, but when it does, it's going to be so helpful, like it was for me. What do I need to do? Well, I want to select every single clip in a certain track. For me, this happens to be an audio track, my very, very long video here. And I need to select every little clip of audio in the A2 line here. I want everything because I want to nest it together and I want to bump up the decibels by a couple points. So I need everything as one. And it's really easy to do that. I'm going to show you how. So this also works for the video tracks. I'm going to be doing the audio track. You can also do the same exact thing with video track. And let's get started. Right now, if I were going to do this the hard way, I would shift select every single clip in this track here. But there's an easier way. And let me just pull up a little bit so we have a better view. Okay. So there's a better way than shift selecting, and that is to select A on your keyboard as a shortcut, or you can just select this button, the track select forward tool. That's the tool we need. So keyboard shortcut is A, or you can just hit that right here next to your timeline. And the next thing you're going to do is you want to make sure that you don't get the double arrow symbol. You need a single arrow symbol. That will select only the things within the same track rather than everything going forward in the timeline. So you're going to start at the beginning of where you want to select. So at the beginning of the tracks for me, I'm going all the way to 0 in my timeline. And then I'm going to hover over the first clip in that track. I'm going to now hold down shift and you'll see that double arrow is now a single arrow. That means it'll select only what's in that specific track rather than everything on my timeline. So I'm going to make sure my background here is deselected. So I'm just hitting escape. So nothing is selected. And then I'm hovering over the first clip in the track I want to select, holding down shift, getting the single arrow, and then left clicking my mouse. And as easy as that, if I zoom out of my timeline, I'll see that whole track is selected and nothing else. So the key here, make sure you have this tool, you have nothing selected, you go to the beginning of your timeline, find the first clip, and then shift select that first clip and it'll get the whole track for you. And now it's as easy as doing what you need to do with this whole selected track. For me, that's right clicking and nesting, hitting OK. And just like that, I've got a nested track, and you don't see the audio waves because they're not rendered out. This is quite a long video. So if I just go to sequence and render audio, those audio waves will appear again, and it's as good as gold. And that's it. I hope this helped you guys. If you need to select a track, now you can do it with ease. And leave me questions in the comments if you have any. Thank you guys for watching. Check out my playlist in Premiere for more tips and tricks like this.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.